Hello, Mike McAleer. I'm the athletic director here at GCIT. With me now is the male athlete of the week, Anthony Malesich. Anthony, congratulations.
Thank you.
Like I said, Anthony's a member of the boys bowling team. Just a few questions here for you, Anthony. Anthony, what grade are you in?
I'm a 10th grade sophomore.
10th grade. And what is your program?
I'm in computer science, IT.
IT. What town are you from?
I'm from Deptford.
Deptford. So, Anthony, last couple of weeks have been a really productive time for the boys bowling team. You finished second in the NJSIAA tournament, the team, and you won the 2022 Tri-County Conference Showcase with a big upset win over Kingsway in the semifinal. So that has to be a pretty exciting couple of weeks.
Yes, it was. It's a team effort, though. It's not all up to me. I have people I know, Jude, Boone, Trevor, Brett. They're a big part of this team. And
no doubt. In the last couple of years, the team's had a lot of success, and you've been fortunate enough to be with those guys. Anthony, just how did you get into bowling?
Well, it all started when I was young. It ran in my family. My grandfather, he was in a Cherry Hill League, and he basically told my dad to get me into bowling. And one time I was at, before it closed the Bolero, I was bowling with my dad, and I met my coach there. He approached me, said, "You have potential, would you want to do some lessons?" And then on, now here I am.
So, you've come in, and like I said before, Anthony, the last 2 years have been really pretty good ones at GCIT. Last year was very unfortunate we didn't have a postseason tournament, but that's coming up in a couple of weeks. So what are some of the goals that you have personally, and what are some of your goals as a team coming up into the sectional tournament?
Well, big goal of mine is to keep my head calm. When I'm under pressure in bowling, matches get heated, especially one against Kingsway when it's such a good team. Teams coming up in the sectionals tournament are going to be even harder, so just got to keep my mind cool. As for a team, we all support each other. We get through hardships. We're already on a 2-year in a row winning streak, so we'll try and keep pushing forward and see what we can accomplish later on. All
right, well, good stuff, and best of luck to you and the team coming up. What's one of the best things about the GCIT bowling team?
Oh, we all have a good time. Sometimes we make fun of each other when someone throws a bad shot. We all laugh. It's just a good time. We're all enjoying it, and we still win. So it's always nice to know.
What's one of the best things about GCIT?
Programs here. They're really good. We have really good teachers. Teachers are nice, supporting. They get you through the work. It's really fun here.
All right. Well, Anthony, once again, congratulations on being named GCIT Male Athlete of the Week, and again, best of luck to you and the team.
Thank you.
Next week. Our Male Athlete of the Week, Anthony Malesich. Hello, Mr. McAleer again. We're continuing our GCIT Athletes of the Week. This time we have the Female Athlete of the Week, Megan Prettyman. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Megan is a member of the girls bowling team. Megan, what grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
Your program?
Allied Health.
And what town are you from?
Deptford.
So, Megan, what a great regular season the team has had. Finished undefeated. We won the conference title again, the showcase, and at the beginning of the year, I believe we won the Olympic Holiday Bowl.
Yep.
So it's been a really good regular season. I'm sure you and the team are pretty excited.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's just awesome to be a part of it.
So, how long have you been bowling for?
About 8 or 9 years.
How did you get into bowling?
So my grandmom was in a league, and then my brother did it. So then I started because I had to go with him every week.
There you go. So yeah, kind of peer pressure a little bit. You had to go in. So, but Megan, you had some pretty good success. You and the team the last few years. Coming up, actually tomorrow is the sectional. So it's a big day tomorrow. What are some of your expectations as an individual and for the team?
Individually, I want to go to sectionals and do the best I can to help our team make it on to team states, hopefully, and I also want to make individual states the following week, 2 weeks also. But just doing the best I can and putting up the best numbers to try and help the team move on.
All right, good stuff. And recently, you signed a letter of intent. You're going to go to Sacred Heart University for bowling.
Yeah.
Congratulations. What sold you on Sacred Heart?
I spent a decent amount of time with the team, and they're all just awesome people, and I love the campus, and I love what they can do for me academically and in my goals for the future.
And what are you looking to major in?
I'm going to major in bio for pre-medicine. so that I can go to med school.
Good stuff. What's one of the best things about GCIT bowling team?
Having spent the past 4 years with a lot of the same people, we've really grown together a lot. Us, Coach Holland, it's just a really great environment now, and it's sad to see it ending soon.
What's one of the best things about GCIT?
Probably being able to spend so much time focusing on what you want to do in the future and being able to get a nice head start on college.
Good stuff. So, listen, congrats on the Athlete of the Week, and best of luck to you and the team.
Thank you.
Our Female Athlete of the Week, Megan Prettyman.